Are you looking for the real reason most outdoor cat houses fail and which ones actually work? Before you buy an outdoor cat house, there's one thing no product page tells you. Most of them don't actually keep your cat dry in real weather. I learned this the hard way after seeing soaked shelters and frustrated cats. Today, I'm showing you the 5 that actually deliver.
Product number 1, Kitty City Mega Catio. This Kitty City outdoor mega kit looks like a playground, and honestly, it kind of is. At $99.99, it's more of a catio than a house, but if you want your indoor cats to safely enjoy fresh air, this is worth a serious look. The nylon mesh walls let in airflow while keeping predators out, and the whole thing measures 47 inches long, plenty of space for climbing and lounging. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you've got energetic cats stuck indoors, this gives them a safe outdoor experience without full exposure. The zip door makes it easy to reach in and grab a sleepy cat, and the cubby cubes inside can be rearranged to keep things interesting. Plus, it's expandable. You can connect it to other Kitty City tunnels to build a whole network. Over 900 people bought this in the last month, which says something. Now, some people might complain that it doesn't offer real shelter from rain or cold. Because it doesn't. This isn't a heated or insulated space. Here's the thing though, it's not meant to be. It's a supervised play zone, not a 24/7 shelter. If you're looking for something your cat can sleep in overnight during winter, this isn't it. This is perfect for you if you want to give indoor cats safe outdoor time on a porch or patio. Skip this one if you need a standalone weatherproof shelter for unsupervised use. Product number 2, New Age Pet Eco Flex House. Now, if the Kitty City's lack of weather protection bothered you, this New Age Pet Eco Flex house takes a completely different approach. At $52.81, it's affordable, sturdy, and built for real outdoor use. Made from a recycled wood plastic blend called EcoFlex, it resists moisture and odors, perfect for long-term backyard placement. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The dual vinyl door flaps keep wind and rain out while letting cats come and go freely. The elevated floor improves airflow and prevents ground moisture from seeping in, and it's even compatible with a heated pod if you want to add warmth in winter. Assembly is tool-free, just snap the panels together in minutes. With a 10-year warranty and over 400 recent sales, it's clear people trust this for feral colonies or porch cats. Now, some people complain that the interior feels a bit cramped for larger cats. Here's the thing though, the interior is 16.7 inches long and wide, fine for 1 or 2 average-sized cats, but not ideal for big breeds or long-term multi-cat use. Still, for the price and durability, it's a solid pick. This is perfect for you if you need a low-maintenance, weather-resistant shelter for a single cat or feral setup. Skip this one if you have large cats or want a spacious multi-level design. For under $60, this is one of the best long-term investments. Product number 3, TSY Pairs Insulated Shelter. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for harsh winters. The TSY Pairs Outdoor Cat House at $22.99 is shockingly affordable, yet packed with smart insulation. It uses a triple-layer design, waterproof Oxford cloth outside, EPE foam in the middle, and aluminum foil inside to trap heat. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you live somewhere cold, this thing actually keeps warmth in. The fully enclosed design protects against snow and wind, and the elevated bottom bracket stops cold from seeping up from the ground. Plus, the removable mat is machine washable, huge for hygiene. Over 300 people bought this recently, and for under $25, it's a steal. Now, some people said the material feels a bit flimsy compared to plastic or wood. Here's the thing though, it's not meant to last decades. It's a budget-friendly seasonal solution. If you're caring for a stray or need a temporary winter shelter, this does the job without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable, insulated hideout for winter months. Product number 4, Tailtastic Elevated Cat House. Now, if the TSY Pairs fabric build made you nervous about durability, this Tailtastic model brings serious weatherproofing. At $34.19, it's still budget-friendly, but uses 900D waterproof Oxford fabric and a sloped roof to shed rain and snow. The elevated design with ground stakes keeps it stable and dry, even in wet conditions. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The raised platform prevents flooding, and the spacious interior fits 2 to 3 cats comfortably. The slanted roof is a small detail that makes a big difference. No water pooling, no snow buildup. Assembly takes just minutes, no tools needed, and folds flat for storage. With 300 plus recent buyers, it's a favorite for community cat caregivers. Now, some people mention the cushion isn't the thickest, so it might not be cozy enough for extreme cold. Here's the thing though, you can easily add a self-warming pad or blanket inside. It's designed to be customizable, not perfect out of the box. This is perfect for you if you need a sturdy, elevated shelter that won't flood. Skip this one if you want a solid wood or plastic build. Product number 5, Paul-built wooden 2-story house. Finally, if you're willing to spend more for something that looks good and lasts, the Paul-built wooden cat house at $144.99 is in a league of its own. This isn't just a shelter, it's a mini cabin. With a 2-story design, asphalt roof, and weatherproof wood, it's built like a tiny house for cats. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The multi-level layout gives cats vertical space to climb and hide, which reduces stress in multi-cat setups. The enclosed design offers privacy, and the elevated base keeps moisture out. It's stylish enough for a backyard or porch, and at nearly 30 inches tall, it feels substantial. Over 200 sold recently, and it's clearly for people who want quality. Now, some people said it's overkill for one small cat. Here's the thing though, if you're investing in long-term outdoor comfort and want something that blends into your space, this justifies the price. It's not for everyone, but for the right person, it's worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a permanent, attractive shelter for one.
So which one's best? If you want supervised outdoor play, go with Kitty City. Need durable, long-term shelter, New Age Pet EcoFlex. On a budget but need warmth? TSY Pairs delivers. Want elevated, weatherproof comfort? Tailtastic is solid. And if you want something beautiful and built to last, Paul-built wooden house is the winner. Each solves a different problem, so